Gold against US dollar. This week has rise in value and we can see how the week has started. The week started with this bullish small candle around this 2329.13 resistance level, and the next day the price formed indecision candle where the price could not make a bullish breakout above this strong confluence of resistance around this price level. Then on Wednesday the price formed a strong bullish movement right here where the price reached a 2356 resistance level, and then the price stopped for a while for a day, marking here on the 4th of July the indecision candle, and after that the price on a Friday formed again strong bullish breakout where the price reached 2390.94, a monthly resistance level. The weekly time frame shows us that currently the price has continued this bullish momentum which has been formed with this bullish pin bar in the previous week. So the price has reached a very important resistance level here, we can see that. A monthly time frame shows us continuation of this bullish movement after the price formed this indecision candle after several months as a bullish candles. So we can see the price has reached a very important resistance level on the monthly time frame. What will happen in the future or for the next 3 weeks from the monthly time frame? Everything's still open. There is no possibility for me, at least now, to make some kind of a conclusion of what could happen in the next 3 weeks. But currently what I can see, it is seeing that there is much more strength from the bulls than the sellers. Now much more clear information will be on the lower side, not even on the weekly, but what we can see that the price usually on the weekly time frame shows a bullish strength right here at around this resistance level and then bouncing back down. This strong week, then bearish movement, then this strong bullish momentum where the price tried to reach again and then returned the next week back down. So there is a high probability that the price forms this again, a bullish breakout above this resistance level, above 2390, reach this price level and then returns back down, or reaches this one and then returns back down. The daily time frame shows much more clear information, especially on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, which I am covering during the day, each day in the week with the Telegram group. The Telegram link will be below in the description. But what we can see here is that when the price reaches this resistance level, like in the future, the price returns back down. Then in the future, when the price reaches this resistance level, the price returns back down. So there is a high probability that the price will return on the Monday back down, or next week, at least right here around, which will be the next support level, which will be 2375. 2375, you can see that on the 4-hour time frame is the support and the confluence of support here. What will happen, I will share that during the day on the daily basis inside the Telegram group with the traders. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.